is Cybil Solon, your skin fitness expert. On this channel, you'll find beauty tips and tools to keep you looking your very best on the outside while helping you feel amazing living inside your skin every day. Today's video, I'll be talking about the Hydrafacial tips and how they're going to help you have the best skin of your life. So I'm going to take a moment to talk to you about the extraction tip, which is also known as the aquamarine tip. So this is one of the most important tips that we use during the Hydrafacial. If you see, it does have the same patented vortex technology, and if you haven't heard about my video about the patented vortex technology, make sure you do. It looks very slim from the side. It's very slim. It looks just like my finger. It looks like a fingertip. It's very tiny because we need to be able to get really into very tight spaces. It has the pointiest tip, and it also has the largest aperture opening in the middle because it needs to really, during extractions, really push and pull fluid. So the holes themselves, it does have two holes at the top and one large hole in the middle because the two holes on the outside need to really push fluid, and that one in the middle needs to be able to really suck up extractions. And I've actually pulled things out that are so big that it has jammed my hole, and my machine is going like, and I've had to pull it up and be like, 1 second, I gotta clean my tip, or just ditch this tip and be like, I gotta get another tip. Also, you'll notice that the front here is actually very deep. It's a very deep front, like I can stick my entire fingernail into it. And the reason that is because a lot of times when we're coming across, we're skimming across and we're using that abrasive surface, because remember, it's a blade almost. As it's cutting, it's still cutting some dead skin sometimes, even though we've used a different tip to do that. It's not as sharp and there's not as much of a blade on it. It still has a little bit of one to kind of help us get in there, because we'll use it to kind of twist and turn a little bit. You might find your esthetician's kind of twisting and turning a little bit. We don't apply too much pressure, but we kind of twist and turn because it'll kind of open up the pore a bit, and that'll allow it to suck up and open up an extraction portion or something that's congested a bit, that something has like a little head on it, and I'll suck that up for us a little bit. And the skin will actually get stuck in the edge there, or oil deposits will get stuck up in here. And sometimes I've had them so congested up here that I'll have to ditch this tip and pick up another new tip because it's just so clogged. So when we talk to people about extended extraction sessions and we say, oh, you know, I need to do an extended extraction session, sometimes people are like, well, I don't know. Are you just trying to charge me more money? And we're like, no, it's not that. It's that we need perhaps more tips. We need more serums. And if you haven't watched my video on the serums, do so. We've got a lot of stuff that's going on with these because these are all disposable. We use it on you, and we throw it in the trash. They're never reused. All right, so that's my information on the aquamarine extraction tip. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. And I hope that you all love Hydrafacial as much as I do, and that you're learning so much about it. And I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.